Hey guys, it's Cassie and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a few items I got from two thrift stores. I went to Value Village and to Lee's, and I got some shirts and sweaters. I didn't get any pants, but it's okay. I just wanted to show you guys what I got, and I wanted to share with you a few tips and tricks that I like to do and use when I go thrift shopping. So keep on watching. So tip number one is to always be patient, because I realize that if you're like overwhelmed because there's so many things in the store, it's going to be harder for you to find things. So I recommend just being patient and going through one section at a time. Take your time, don't rush through it, because you're not going to find any good stuff if you do rush through it. So just kind of sift through things and make sure you go to the thrift store on a day where you're not busy, because it does take time to find good stuff. Tip number two is to go when they have like those sales. So I know Lee's does one where it's like any clothing item that has like a red or purple sticker on it means that it's an extra certain percent off. So I recommend going on those days so you get an extra discount. I mean, that also could mean that there's not as much good stuff because there's a lot of people there. It does mean it's busier, but I do recommend going on those days. My third tip is, if you're a woman, don't just look through the women's section, because I guarantee you it's going to be so much harder to find things. In this haul, I literally have like mainly men's clothes. So I'm a small in women's, so I usually would get like a small or medium in men's, and it would be a little bit oversized. But look through the men's section, especially men's tees, if you're looking for like graphic t-shirts or even just men's long sleeves. I don't really wear men's sweaters because they are a little bit too big on me, but I really recommend like going through the men's section as much as you can, because you'll find way better stuff there than in the women's. And sometimes you will get lucky and find good stuff in the women's section, but it's not an always type of thing. I never find anything good there, so I recommend checking out the men's section. Another tip is to go through the accessories. So I know that like a lot of this stuff is like kind of old and gross, but I know a lot of people, not myself personally, who have gone through like the belts and the purses and wallets, and they found like Burberry, Gucci, like you'll find good stuff. I don't know if it's real or not, but go through the accessories if you're looking to find those old vintage items. If you're looking for women's clothing in the women's section, always make sure to check every size. So as I said, I'm a small, but I go through the ladies' medium and large section just because sometimes things get mixed up. Obviously, there's so much stuff there. So I will find like a small sweater that was in the large section, or even just like since it's been worn and washed, things shrink. So it's like, if you look hard enough, you'll be able to find something. Like I have shirts and a sweater in this haul that are medium, which wouldn't fit me normally, but since it's been worn and washed before, it shrunk and now fits me, if that makes sense. Also, take advantage of the fitting rooms that are there. I know that sometimes you don't want to try things on before washing them, but sometimes it's better to just try them on, see if you like them, because there's always different things there that you don't know if you're necessarily gonna wear or if they'll fit you. So even though things from the thrift store are really cheap, and if it doesn't fit you, it's not like you're losing too much money, but it's better to just try it on beforehand. And my last tip is to go there often. So they have new stuff coming in all the time. It's not like a retail store that in the mall that like they have certain clothes for each season. It's literally new stuff every day. So I would say maybe like twice a month, go there and just sift through everything, because it's not going to be the same stuff all the time. So the first item I have here is this. It is a sweater dress, sort of like, I couldn't wear it without like tights or something underneath, but it's super long. It is from Joe Fresh, and it's a medium, so it's cute. I like it. It's perfect for like fall or winter, and it has this like turtleneck also, so I think it'll be super cute. The next thing is a men's shirt. So it's literally just like this waffle knit gray long sleeve, but it kind of has like a purpley blue tinge to it. I don't know, maybe I'm just blind or something. I can't see color, but it's okay. This is just a plain shirt, and I thought it'd be cute and comfy for winter. I got a polo shirt. It has a little green polo logo, and it's just a men's small. It's just gray. It's a little large. I love it, and I think it'd be really cute with leggings, just like a casual, comfy outfit. And I do love polo, so this worked out perfectly. I got this polo, it's not polo, but it's like a polo shirt, if that makes sense. It has the collar, and it's from Lacoste, and it's a men's 2, so I'm guessing that's a small, and it actually fits me perfectly. I love how it, like, I don't know, it's not cropped, but it just kind of gives me those vibes. It's cute, it's black, I don't know what's on it, but it has a little Lacoste logo, and I think it's so cute, so I'm really excited to wear this. This is a men's graphic tee. It's a Levi's shirt, and it's really cute, and I think it would look good with like leggings or blue jeans. It's a small, and it is still a little bit big, so it will look cute tucked in or just laying out, and I just really like it. And this is why I love thrifting, because you always find cute graphic tees. I got this in the ladies section, so it's a Roots zip up. I love Roots, and it's expensive, so I'm glad I found this. I think this was only like $10. It's pink, and it has a purple Roots logo, has the hood, and I really love it. And it's gonna be good for winter because it's thick. But I'm really excited to wear this, and I love Roots. The next thing is a polo shirt. It has the little polo guy right there. It is button up, has the collar, it's gray, has the button sleeves, which I think is really cute as well. I am really excited to wear this, so yeah. And this I'm very proud of. I haven't owned anything from Juicy Couture, so I was like looking really hard between, there was this black one that had like a butterfly, and I was like, I don't really want the butterfly one, so I got this purple velvet velour, whatever you want to call it. It doesn't say anything on it except the J right here. I think it's kind of cute. Like, I feel like it's like a, not even like soccer mom vibes, but like, you know, Regina George's mom, like that's what I get from this. And it says Juicy Couture here. It's a medium, like I said. I'm a small, but certain things fit you when they're used. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you did, subscribe for more videos, and comment suggestions for future videos down below. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!